Hello, welcome to a quick-ish toolbox tour. Lighting is still no better, I'm aware. I am going to start working on that very soon. It's as good as I can get it. I've got one of the doors open, so... Alright, it's a Halfords professional... No, wrong. It's a Halfords industrial toolbox. It's alright, it holds tools. I've had Snap-on, I've had all sorts in the past. It's alright, it works. Right, up in the top, things are a bit different to what they used to be. We have a flex head. Yep, you can hold that for me, it's very heavy. A flex head, I'll take some of the weight. Snap-on 1/2 inch drive, very long ratchet. Put that to one side for me, thank you. So I'm just going to put it down somewhere, it's fine. We have imperial sockets here at the back, all 1/2 inch, some more 1/2 inch there. She's been very helpful in putting my ratchet up over there. We have some impact sockets on this rail, cheapy no name, work fine, maybe even Sealy or something I think, but they're alright. We have Draper Expert 3/8 long, 12 point. We have Halfords Deep 6 point in 1/2 inch, and we have Baco quarter drive shallow. I bought them in a set and broke the set into separate bits because it works better for me. 3/8 drive shallow Draper Expert 12 points. Baco 6 point deeps. We have some semi-deep snap-ons if the camera will even decide to focus. That is them. Torx bits, mix of Snap-on and Halfords. Drain plug key sets, very rarely use them for drain plugs considering motorcycles normally have, normal spanner bits, but they are useful for certain things on spindles and such. 1/2 inch drive shallow, some Snap-on shallow impact bits, with a few extra no names on the sizes that they skip. Long hex keys, these are Bergen, I think they are. Do you know they work? Focus on this is terrible. Trust me, they're Bergen. They work. They're like $12.99 or something off of Amazon. I think I bought them for. They're okay. These I have yet to ever use. I think I've used them once or twice on cars that I've had to do, but rare. Vauxhalls, Citroens, that sort of things have them. My adapter set. Snap-on ball-ended hex, exceptionally good. Some more Snap-on stuff there. The shorts, little stubby kit. I think they were like a buy one get one free or something. They came with the impact driver, various spark plug sockets, etc. Right, first drawer. Certain bits of this. See, this is what I don't like about this particular box, is it's not as build quality as some perhaps. Snap-on 3/8, Snap-on quarters, these are standard, these are wobble. Not all Snap-on anymore because I don't know where they've gone. They've been lost in transit somewhere. And again, a Baco extension bar, it just all works. Snap-on impact driver. Would I buy one again? Probably not. Shouldn't have to though. It should last. A few other random odds and bits and bobs. Halfords Professional. It just says Halfords on it. That's how old this one is. It's not going to show. 1/2 inch Snap-on 3/8. That's an F80 or whatever it is. Little tiny Baco 1/4 inch ratchet. That is now my go-to 1/4 inch ratchet. It is phenomenal. And a little Halfords Professional one in the one thing that I actually be bothered to start doing. Again, it's alright, not great. A few other odds and sods back there. Drawer full of not much at the moment. I think some of this stuff's still out or possibly at home. Someone with scissors. Ooh, scissors. Spark tester, some leads, tape measure, pot rivet gun, backhoe. Would not buy one of them again. Oh, thank you. Screwdrivers. Again, cheapy picks. Seem to have worked fine so far. Haven't broken any. £2 something. They are Draper. Are they Draper? Yeah, Draper. Little tiny Torx bits or Torx drivers. Obviously got me most common used Snap-ons. Never needed to buy any more. Yeah, that one's also a very old style Snap-on. This thing will not focus. Again, perfect sort of really nice little screwdriver. Yeah, it's a summer at home. Been doing jobs there as well, bits and bobs, so sort of split up a little bit. Disorganised plier drawer. Currently, I don't know where the rest of them are. I know some of them are on my bike and some of them are elsewhere. So some pliers. Got the Snap-ons. Brilliant pliers. These, however, from Amazon. They are H&S UK Tools long reach pliers. Brilliant. For £13 or £14 or whatever they were. Absolutely amazing. We got some cheapy mole grips. I need to invest in some better ones. Blue Point water pump pliers, you've all seen them anyway. Some Stanley Fat Max wire strippers, very good things. I'm now gonna mind your fingers. Right, would you like to take the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, need to point it in the drawer. Okay, so we've got a multimeter which is in the wrong drawer. Some vernier calipers. They should be. Yep. Got them? Yeah, beautiful. Right. Some torque wrenches. Motorcycle flywheel pullers and such. Feeler gauges. Down here we have the Blue Point ratcheting spanners. These, which I'm not staying up on here, but they're just stubbies, mix of really cheap ones which work fine. A Snap-on 13, very shiny, but not really, don't use it that often. My standard go-to Blue Point set there, again absolutely awesome. These are the Halfords professional ones, massively thick ends on them. Alright, down here we have these, which I've never really, I won't say I haven't used them, because I have used them occasionally, and when I do they are exceptionally useful. It's rare that I do. They are the Snap-on socket ended spanners. I wouldn't buy them again. Got just some S wrenches, some odd angled ones here, the usual, and some big ones for the rear end of spindles or sprockets or whatever. Imperial drawer, very rarely use these, very rarely at all. In fact, it's exceptionally rare. What we got in this one? Oh, this is the sockets that hardly ever get used drawer. Got some replacement bits for the Snap-on Impact. They break a lot, I have found. Some big old sockets, 3/4 drive stuff again. Some spares of stuff that I just don't really use, but always useful once in a while. We have the hammer drawer, and we've got some cheapy, because to be fair, the amount of body work I actually do, I do a reasonable amount, but not to warrant, massive hammers. So we've got these. They're alright. Yeah, shrinker hammers and one thing another, along with the dollies and the usual tyre levers, chisels, normal hammers. Yeah. And finally we have an electronics drawer which has an electronic impact wrench, useful, much prefer. I also have a battery one which I will do a review on soon. Little cheapy Dremel style tool, for the money, great. Angle grinder not so much. And yeah, that is it. So that is a very quick tour of my toolbox. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.